Only on Fox, with overdose deaths in the upstate on the rise, one place in Spartanburg County is starting a new program to help those struggling with addiction. The Forrester Center for Behavioral Health says that in the first month and a half of the program, 20 people are already working with peer coaches.
Wow, Fox Carolina's Zach Prelutsky joins us live tonight after visiting that Forrester Center today and speaking with someone leading the program. Zach, what exactly is their goal?
Well, Tori, really the mission of this new program is to engage with people and get them help and support before they potentially fatally overdose. Now, the Spartanburg County coroner says that since the beginning of 2019, in the county there has been a, quote, explosion of drug overdose deaths.
Your life is worth living.
That's the message Christopher Young would say to anybody currently struggling with addiction. Young, who works with people who have overdosed and are in the hospital, noticed something recently.
The overdoses that we were having in the ER, we was having a lot of trouble following up with the patients too, because they didn't have phones or they didn't have an address that we could follow up with them at, and they also didn't have transportation.
So that's when the Forrester Center for Behavioral Health decided it was time to begin an outreach program as overdose deaths rise in Spartanburg County.
We want to engage them, obviously, prior to that happening.
The program taking people referred by the ER, the justice system, family, friends, and more, and matching them up with a peer mentor like Kyle GRUBBS.
Have somebody come in and say, hey, yeah, I know what you're going through. I went through the same thing. And I just tried to be, a beacon of light for that person. One of 8, soon to be 9 peer mentors, Kyle is an overdose survivor himself and has been in recovery for 5 years now. I couldn't live with it, couldn't live without it, and it couldn't kill me. And then that's whenever I decided to take all those little seeds that had been planted with me over the years and put them to use. And that's what I try to do here, is plant seeds. So what exactly does the program do? Anything, really. From daily phone calls checking in, to bringing a person groceries, finding them a new place to stay, or getting them into treatment if they want. Because the road to recovery, as Young and Audrey Collin are also experiencing, can be a long one.
It's a lifelong treatment to some degree.
Now, another part of this program is to increase the efforts to provide support and treatment for people who live in the more rural parts of Spartanburg County. Now, anyone who is struggling with addiction, or if you have a loved one who is struggling and you're interested in this program, you can reach out directly to the Forrester Center. We have more contact information on the As Seen On section of our app and on foxcarolina.com. For now, reporting, Zach Prelutsky for Fox Carolina News.